In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoMirror in Blender. AutoMirror is a built-in add-on that speeds up symmetrical modeling by cutting your mesh along a chosen axis and automatically setting up a mirror modifier. This means you only model one side, and Blender mirrors your edits in real time, keeping everything perfectly symmetrical and saving you a lot of cleanup later. First, let's make sure the add-on is enabled. In Blender, open Preferences by going to the Edit menu and choosing Preferences. In the Preferences window, click the add-on section, then use the search bar to look for AutoMirror. When you see it, enable it by checking the box. Once it's on, you can close Preferences. If the tools you're expecting don't appear later, come back here and confirm it's still enabled. Now, back in your scene, make sure you're in object mode and select the mesh you want to work on. With the object selected, press the N key to open the sidebar in the 3D viewport. In that sidebar, switch to the Edit tab and you'll see the AutoMirror panel. If you don't see it, double check that you're in object mode and that the add-on is enabled. Before you click anything, choose the axis you want to mirror across, X, Y, or Z. Here's a simple way to think about it. X typically runs left to right, Y runs front to back, and Z runs up and down. You can reference the axis gizmo at the top right of the viewport if you're unsure. Pick the axis that matches how you want the model to be split. If you choose an axis and it's not what you expected, don't worry, you can undo and try a different one. With your axis chosen, click the Auto Mirror button. Blender will instantly bisect the mesh along that axis and set up a mirror modifier behind the scenes. This is non-destructive, so your original geometry is preserved, and the new modifier ensures whatever you do on one side is mirrored on the other. You'll notice the mesh is neatly cut and ready for symmetrical modeling. From here, modeling becomes more efficient. As you make changes to your geometry, you'll see the mirrored side update automatically, which helps maintain clean proportions and alignment. If you ever feel the split is on the wrong side, simply undo and run AutoMirror again with a different axis selection. And remember, selection matters. Make sure the correct mesh is active before applying AutoMirror. That's it. With the add-on enabled, the axis chosen, and AutoMirror applied, you're set up for fast, accurate, symmetrical modeling in Blender.